We learn about food from other countries or states, and we made it and we tried it because it's like fun and it's educational. When I grow up, I'm gonna help my mom, and I will show her the recipe that we did in NASA because I wanna learn more. To me, Rainbow Chef means we could cook or make many different things each time. Rainbow Chef was a great experience. Rainbow Chef for me was awesome. We made snacks that I like. One of my favorite things we made was the peanut butter jam sushi. Rainbow Chef is fun. It was good for me, and we made yummy stuff, but I really like the soda. It helped me make snacks, so then when I'm hungry, I cook.
This spring, we had the opportunity to partner with Rainbow Chefs and deliver the program to about 120 students. And I really have to say that we really enjoyed this program. For a long time, we were looking for a service that was focused on building healthy meals and healthy habits with our students. Really enjoyed Rainbow Chefs, and we're really looking forward to partnering again with them next year.
Y como frente y queer y también felices con los hermanos y también para tener logros que without no new recipes, and we can do them again at home with our parents. My favorite recipe was when we were doing the chocolate pudding, and we dipped on strawberries or blueberries in and get to eat it. And this was my first time cooking something new because with my mom, we make huevo or tortillas, but I never make anything new for cooking. Okay, that's why I like Rainbow Chefs. Yes, in third grade I do want to do it again. Because I want to cook something new again and new recipes.